This 70-gram military drone flies 30 minutes through 25-knot winds with thermal cameras better than most security systems. Black Hornet 4 weighs less than an iPhone but carries 12 megapixel cameras plus thermal imaging in hurricane-force winds. 3-kilometer range, launches in 20 seconds, flies inside buildings without GPS using obstacle avoidance cameras. Blue UAS approved. 45 countries use Black Hornet family. U.S. Army just ordered more units for frontline reconnaissance operations. If nano drones become consumer available, should privacy laws restrict civilian surveillance or embrace personal security technology?